Do you know you can do amazing new text animations in Filmora application now? Let's see how to be creative with Filmora. So begin with uploading your picture and music. Keep picture duration same as the music. Click on audio. Click auto captions. Generate. This will take few seconds. Now add text from your lyrics single word at a time. You can choose any font color. Choose any font style. Arrange text like this. Control text duration sync with lyrics. Lyrics should look like this. From the last lyrics text I added a red pip. Change the color of this text to white. Now apply circle mask over the red pip. Shrink size of pip from the beginning. Mark keyframe over it. Mark second keyframe at the end. And enlarge its size. Now apply animation to all the text. Filmora has introduced some new text animation styles. You can play around each text with different styles of animation. Combining text animations with keyframes yields impressive and fluid transitions, resulting in captivating visual effects. To bring creativity, I place text in different directions and different sizes. Manage text movements with keyframes. Change main words from lyrics to white. Filmora offers a wide selection of text animation styles, granting users the freedom to choose. At the end, I gave video effect FLO to the entire clip. This is how it looks. If you find this tutorial useful, please subscribe, like, and comment below.